In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit with Elementor in WordPress. Whether you're enhancing an existing page or building a new one from scratch, Elementor offers a robust platform that makes design intuitive and efficient. Let's dive in by first ensuring you have Elementor installed on your WordPress site, and then we'll explore how to start editing your pages with it. To start, if Elementor isn't installed on your site yet, you're going to need to do that first. Begin by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. From there, look to the left-hand menu and click on Plugins. This will bring you to the Plugins Management area. Now click on Add New. In the search bar, type Elementor Website Builder. Once you see it appear in the list of results, click on Install Now. After the installation process is complete, you'll see an option to Activate. Make sure you click that, as activating the plugin is essential for it to function on your site. This process will equip you with all of Elementor's features and set you up for a smooth editing experience. Now that you have Elementor installed, you need to decide which page you want to edit. Perhaps you have an existing page that needs a fresh look or additional content. To edit an existing page, head over to the Pages section in your dashboard by clicking All Pages. Here, you'll find a list of all the pages currently on your site. To the right of each page title, you'll see an option labeled Edit with Elementor when you hover over it. Clicking this will take you directly into Elementor's editing interface, where you can start transforming your page with drag-and-drop components and live editing capabilities. Alternatively, if your plans involve starting a new page from scratch, we can easily do that. Start again from the Pages section, but this time, click on Add New. A new window will appear, prompting you to name your page. You might type something like Home or Contact, depending on the purpose of the page. After you've named your page, you'll see a button labeled Edit with Elementor. Clicking this will open up a blank canvas in Elementor, allowing you to build your page piece by piece precisely as you envisioned. Throughout the editing process, remember that Elementor is designed to be user-friendly, so don't hesitate to experiment with its elements and templates. You can drag in headers, text, images, and much more, all in real time. Always keep a preview of your site open in another tab to see how the changes look on the front end. As you make changes, look for the Save or Publish buttons to keep your progress intact. By following these straightforward steps, you can harness the full potential of Elementor to create beautiful, functional pages on your WordPress site. Enjoy the creative process, and don't be afraid to let your imagination shine.